In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage leads in the sales workspace. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional or new to using a sales platform, effectively managing your leads is crucial for streamlining your sales process and boosting your productivity. By the end of this session, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to view, edit, and organize your leads efficiently within HubSpot Sales Workspace. Let's start by diving into how you can view your leads in the sales workspace. First, you'll want to navigate to the Sales section in your HubSpot account, then head over to the Sales workspace. Once you're there, click on the Prospecting tab, and you'll see the Leads option on the left sidebar. This is your starting point for accessing all your lead information. When it comes to viewing leads, you have the flexibility to choose between different views. These views are designed to cater to your specific needs and preferences. You can select either a preset view or a saved view. If you're interested in customizing and saving particular settings for future use, the Saved Views option is what you're looking for. Within these views, you'll find various categories that help you organize and prioritize your leads. For example, open leads are those which are still in the early stages and haven't been qualified or disqualified yet. Target accounts are leads associated with specific accounts you're focusing on. The Recent Activity view shows leads that have had any recent interactions, offering insight into where you might want to focus your attention next. Additionally, there's the Not in Sequence category, which includes leads not currently engaged in any sequence, helping you identify potential actions you might need to take. And finally, the All view encompasses every lead assigned to you, allowing a broad overview of your current workload. If you're looking to further refine how you view your leads, you can apply filters at the top of the table, or explore advanced filters for more customization. Shifting gears, let's discuss updating the lead pipeline. With the Pipeline's drop-down menu, you can easily select a specific pipeline to view, or opt for all pipelines if you'd like a comprehensive look at your entire sales process. Customizing the information that appears is simple too. Just click Edit Columns to tailor what's displayed in your table, ensuring that you see the most relevant data at a glance. When you're ready to take a closer look at any specific lead, simply click on the lead's name to access their individual record. This allows you to review detailed information and make informed decisions about the next steps. By mastering these tools, you'll be well on your way to managing leads like a pro in the HubSpot Sales Workspace. Thank you for joining today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session where we'll continue to explore sales strategies and tools that help drive success.